Progress in science and technology. Science is the discovery of the law of nature, and technology is the use of science in life. Then, the atomic age. Professor Rutherford is considered as the father of atomic energy. Man started machine age with the help of steam energy and electric energy, but the minerals like coal, petrol needed for it are limited. According to the scientists, these stocks will fall short in the end of this century, and therefore they have found out the new energy means in the form of atomic energy as a remedy. Uses of atomic energy: production of electricity, diagnosis and treatment of diseases, development of agricultural industry. The sea base is researched with the help of atomic submarines. Destructive atomic weapons are prepared. Dr. Homi Bhabha is the father of Indian atomic age. Atomic Research City was erected at Turbhe near Mumbai under the guidance of Dr. Bhabha. Atomic reactors named Apsara, Cyrus, Zarlina and Purnima are present in this city. Production of about 350 radioactive substances is made in the atomic center at Turbhe. They are used in industrial, agricultural and medical fields. For the production of atomic energy, uranium and thorium are available in large quantity in India. Then atomic power. Energy means the capacity to work. The greatest use of atomic energy is the production of electricity. The first atomic power station of India was raised at Tarapur to the north of Mumbai in 1969. There are 17 atomic energy power stations in India today producing 4,120 megawatt electricity. Now the structure of atomic energy power station. The structure is as follows. It contains fuel rods, water and heavy water, controlling rods, turbines, cooling towers. Neutrons are fed in the uranium fuel rods. Extreme heat is produced in the fuel rods. Control rods function to control the number of neutrons, and the heavy water surrounding fuel rods absorb this heat and send out in the form of steam. Turbines get motion from the extreme power of the steam and they turn the generators producing electricity. The extremely hot steam after the production of electricity is cooled by cold water sprayed in the cooling towers and again turns into water. Then atomic weapons. The destructive weapon of atomic bomb was prepared out of atomic energy. But our country insists on the peaceful and constructive use of atomic technology. The space age. Man has been constantly eager to get information about space. Russia launched the first man-made satellite Sputnik 1 in the space on 4th October 1957. Russia sent the dog named Laika into space in Sputnik 2. The scientists came to conclusion that man can enter the space. Then the space. The earth has an envelope of air around it which is called as atmosphere. It is nearly 900 kilometers broad. The universe beyond the atmosphere is called space. There is no atmosphere, no air and no water in space. The sunshine is very hot. The cosmonauts put on space suits during the space voyage. There is helmet on the head and oxygen cylinder on the back. They keep the energy supplying chocolates. Then manned space flight. Russia's Yuri Gagarin is the first cosmonaut. He went round the earth in the space on 12th April 1961. Russia, America sent many satellites into space. Then Mission Moon. United States sent the spacecraft Apollo 11 to Moon with the help of rocket. 21st July 1969 is the most important day On this day, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin stepped on moon by Apollo 11. Now India's mission to moon. Indian scientists sent manless spaceship Chandrayaan-1 to moon on 23rd October 2008. India made the mission to moon on 14th November 2008. The importance of mission to moon. Water molecules present in the lunar soil were found. The presence of water on moon is an important step towards the fulfillment of the dream of settlement there. Then artificial satellites. Man-made satellites are launched into the space with the help of rockets. Now rocket, it needs extreme energy to be liberated from the energy level of Earth's gravitational force. Great energy is created by the combustion of the fuel in the rocket, and the rocket is carried to a great height. After specific distance, the rockets each stage separates from it and the spacecraft is launched into the space. After reaching a specific distance, the direction of the rocket changes and the rocket starts revolving round the Earth along with the spaceship. The spaceship is checked from the control center of the rocket launching center and the spaceship starts the moon voyage as per the message. Now the kinds of artificial satellite. Major two kinds. First one, earthly satellites. It is made stable from the Earth at the height of 33,000 to 35,000 kilometers in space. With the help of rotation, satellite moves according to the speed of Earth. Then second type, polar satellite. They are gone up to 800 to 850 kilometers from the Earth. They travel from north to south pole and return to north pole. IRS, serial satellite, is polar satellite. The advantages of satellite. Programs of television broadcast, telephone mobile communication, study of environment and temperature, picture and map of Earth, natural wealth is studied. Then missiles. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the father of missile program. He is called Missile Man. Earth, Trishul, Akash, Prithvi, Agni and Nag, the main missiles are developed in DRDO. Then computer, information and importance. Computer has become a super friend not only of Indians but of the whole human race. Computer is an electronic media. It helps us in intellectual work. We get information and data instantly through computer. Computer gives us necessary information by processing information and data fed by us. It has a number of capacities like storing, processing, writing, reading, counting, designing. We use computer to send information, to print important documents, to send email, to use internet. It can be used for billing, accounting, sports and other such tasks. Charles Babbage is the father of modern computer. Vijay Bhatkar is considered producer of the Indian supercomputer. The computer stores all information in its memory. The memory is of two types, primary and secondary. The information is fed to the computer through the keyboard mechanism. It is processed in the CPU, that is central processing, and it is available to us by way of the screen and the printer. Now kinds of computers. First one, mainframe, then microcomputer, then mini computer, laptop, tabletop, fixed computer, personal computer, supercomputer. Similarly, speed, concentration, precision, continuity, memory and multifaceted flexibility are called its capacities. Then the parts of computer. 1. CPU. It contains ALU, that is arithmetic and logic unit, and secondly the control unit. Then the memory of a computer. It has primary and secondary memory, and secondary memory means hard disk, floppy disk, zip drive, pen drive, DVD, etc. The devices attached to the computer to increase the performance of a computer are called the computer peripherals. They are the input devices, the output devices, the communication devices, storage devices, etc. Then uses of computer: e-governance, 2. Publication and drawing art, 3. Accountancy, 4. Data processing, 5. Education, that is e-learning.